first time I put my artwork on something was a skateboard deck when I really wanted a longboard and I didn't have enough money to get the one that I wanted, so I was like, I'll just design one myself. And then I ended up just starting a little company with it. Once I get an idea, I usually sketch out different ideas of how it could lay out on a longboard and put that into Illustrator or Photoshop and start messing around with the composition of what I want it to look like. It's really cool to just see your artwork on a wall, but it's a whole nother feeling when you can actually physically use it or see it or touch it. If you're looking into media design, you get all the fundamental skills you need to do creative projects. Having that foundation, and then the power is in you to figure out where you want to take that foundation.